Is your garlic sprouting in the middle of winter? Don't panic. If you're a garlic grower, then you probably follow the typical routine of planting your garlic in the fall, letting it overwinter in the ground while it's dormant, and then early in the spring, it pops to life and you're ready to harvest in summer. I'm in zone 7A and I typically plant my garlic after our first frost, which means I put it in the ground around late October or early November while the soil is still workable. In ideal conditions, it's cold enough over winter that the garlic stays dormant in the ground, but garlic is one of the first things I see sprouting up in the spring. It comes to life when the soil temperature heats up to about 40 degrees. But sometimes in the middle of winter, because garlic comes alive with those fairly cool soil temperatures, if you have some unseasonably warm days, that garlic may go ahead and sprout way before the season starts. But that causes panic for a lot of gardeners, especially new gardeners, who see those sprouts, figure they're going to be killed off by winter weather, and that their garlic crop's going to be ruined. The first thing I would tell you, if you see your garlic sprouting in the middle of winter like this garlic is here, don't panic. We are in early January. It's January 3rd today, and so we've got plenty of winter weather coming. But we've also had some unseasonably warm weather and my garlic has come to life. In this bed I have some California early garlic, which I grow every year from last year's crop. And over in that smaller bed over there, I have some elephant garlic. For the purists, elephant garlic is not technically a garlic. It's actually, I believe, more in the leek family, but we still grow it as a hardneck garlic. I'll confess, the first time I saw my garlic sprouting in the middle of winter, it does cause a panic because I know we're going to have more cold weather. I know we would have temperatures that would kill off many other crops. But garlic, like other similar vegetables like onions, is very cold tolerant. These green shoots will be able to tolerate temperatures down to about 20 degrees. Now we do get colder temperatures than that. In fact, in some recent nights we've had temperatures down to about 16 degrees, although we have some more mild weather coming up this next week. But if we do get some really cold temperatures that kill off the tips of this garlic, it's still not lost. That green that gets killed off will grow back, and one good thing about seeing sprouts like this is that tells me that that garlic clove that I put into the ground is putting out roots in order to be able to put up that green shoot. And it'll be able to use those roots later on as it's developing that full bulb. When it does become a potential concern is when those shoots get up to about 5 inches or so. Now that clove that's in the ground has put significant energy into developing that green growth, and there is a potential, if that clove in the ground gets frozen, that it could die off. There's a few things you can do if you do see these green shoots in the middle of winter to help to protect your garlic. One is to cover your bed with a light mulch, like a straw or maybe pine needle mulch, something that'll help to insulate the ground. Another is that on particularly cold nights you could use a light frost cloth to cover over the bed to protect the green shoots. But I'd only use that over the cold nights and remove that frost cloth during the day so the plant gets the benefit of the sunlight. Now I have not put any additional mulch over top of this bed because when I put this garlic in, I already added a fairly thick layer of partially complete compost. So along with the compost that is broken down, I still have some grassy material and other light material that creates a good mulch. For the most part, these green shoots are still looking fine even though we had a couple nights below 20 degrees. Something else you can do if you really want to protect your plants is to put up a small tunnel over this bed with plastic to basically put these inside of a small greenhouse. But this early in winter, I wouldn't do that and really promote a lot of growth because that greenhouse would keep things fairly warm in there. It would really get the season started a little bit too early for this garlic. But that's something you could consider depending on your climate as you get closer to spring. Another thing I want to mention, if you have green shoots like this and you have snow forecast, don't worry about it. Snow is actually a very good insulator. It's going to keep that bed around 29 to 32 degrees. And because those plants are tolerant down to 20 degrees, they'll be happy under their snow covering. Overall, I made this video to give some reassurance if you're one of those people who are concerned because you're seeing this early growth. For the most part, garlic is pretty hardy, and it can take some pretty extreme circumstances to wipe out your crop. If you're growing garlic, I hope this helps you out, and I wish you good luck in your garden this year. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.